Hey dear friend, welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to enable disabled apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this 2026 updated guide easily. Restore the app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone. Go to settings. Once you are in settings page, scroll all the way to very bottom. Locate the apps option. Tap to open them. In the apps page, you can simply tap on the three-line hamburger menu button, then make sure to select the disabled option, then hit OK, and you can see all of the disabled apps on your phone listed there. Simply scroll through the page and find the exact disabled app if you want to enable. For example, I am enable the Chrome browser app my phone. Simply tap on their name to open the app info page. After this page, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can see various options. Now simply tap on enable and you have successfully enabled the disabled app. To check if this method work or not, simply return to your home page, open the app door, and right now my Chrome browser app is show up my app door. This means you have successfully enabled the disabled app. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.